in today's video, we have the Wuben X4, and we are going to be unboxing and reviewing it, and also comparing it to the Arc Failed UV by Olight. We hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get started. I just want to pop in real quick and say that November the 20th through December the 1st, Wuben will be having a Black Friday sale where this flashlight you can get for 20% off. Their official store link is in the description box below, and their Amazon store link. Anyway, let's get back to it.
Alright, Wuben sent us a flashlight to review, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to open it, see what's inside, what it looks like. It's got a nice packaging, don't it?
I like the flashlight, looks like something from Halo.
And then we're going to compare it to, I guess we'll compare it to Olight. I think that'd be a really good test. Olight makes some of the best flashlights in the world, in my opinion. So if it can hold up to them or better. So let's see. You'll have to pause it if I'm going too fast.
There's some on the front too. Boo-doo-doo-doo. Look at that.
Okay. Oh, it does got nice packaging.
Yeah.
Comes with the manual. Now the flashlight. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I was worried it was going to be too big.
Oh, cool. It's got a strap with it too. So it comes with its own charger. And it comes with a little strap for it.
Oh, it's kind of heavy.
Oh, I see. Oh, look at the cute little... It's cute.
Wonder if you got to put a battery in it. Look, I'm figuring this out as we go.
Yeah, this is the true unboxing.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest in the review too. I don't know what that does.
There's a
instruction
manual here. Let's see what we got. So it does have a battery in it. See?
Oh, there it goes.
There's a battery. Okay, take that off.
So I'd press that button there.
Okay, and that ejects.
Look, we figured it out together.
Yeah. What's the clicker that for, though?
Oh.
What in the world does that do?
And you can lock the button.
Oh, look, Derek. Look, installation.
I took it out.
It shows you how to do it, though.
So I gotta flip the battery.
Oh, okay. That's a lock. To lock the bottom so it doesn't come open in your pocket. Or your bag. Alright.
Somebody screamed at the camera right now. Do this, do that. I can't hear you.
Derek, stop. Goodness. Apparently there's a power button.
Yeah, where's the power button? I pressed it. No
power button. Is it dead?
Could be.
Guys, please stand by for technical difficulties. While Derek's charging, I'm going to hook up the lanyard. No!
No, not yet.
I want to do the lanyard.
Where's the USB charger? Okay, so I'm going all the way up here, and there's the charger slot.
That's cool.
And it might need to charge. I don't know how you adjust the brightness.
That will adjust the brightness.
Think so?
Yeah, I watched another review earlier.
On the back's cutting it on.
That's cutting it on?
So you can cut it on back here.
I thought that was a lock.
So we're going to play around with this, figure it out, and then we'll come back and show this, and we'll compare it to...
Look, it looks like cheat codes.
Olight Arc Field.
Arc Field Pro.
And then we can compare it to the Turbo.
We're going to let Derek study this.
I'm just going to put it on charge for now. There it is charging, and we'll let this charge, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I want to show you guys a little bit of the features. So it is USB-C, and you have to slide this up to reveal your USB slot for charging. So we have a few different modes. Right here, if you push the button here all the way down, it is locked. You have your, hold on. It turns on the side light. So this is the side light. And this wheel here, you can turn it, you can turn it this way and it will brighten it up, or you can turn it this way and it will dim it. And that is like that for every mode. This button will cut that mode on and off. So, as you can see, this is also a quick, you can push this and use it like, and you can use it that way. Also, if you click it enough, it will turn on strobe mode. So, this is your normal functioning light. And I am going to take these in a dark room here in a second and show you guys, and then we will also compare them at night. And like I said, this will brighten it or it will dim it by using the side light. So now we have moonlight mode, which was on earlier, and that's why we thought the battery was dead. But we had moonlight mode, which is probably similar to candle mode on the arc field, but it is very dim and it will last a long time on that mode. Some cool features that I noticed about this, I do very much like the I don't know how to open it, honestly. My husband opened it a while ago. I do very much enjoy the battery opening thing. So that is right here. I very much do enjoy that. And you can unlock it to open it. And you just push it up. So, and then you push it down and that will lock this from opening in your pocket. It is, I think, magnetic. Yeah, so I'm going to use this revolver from another video that I was filming the other day. It is magnetic on the back, just like the arc field. That's what this little symbol means. I pretty well do like the clip. The clip is nice. So, and we are going to take it in a dark bathroom, or we'll wait until nighttime, and I will show you guys this in action. I'm not going to go too crazy with the water. We're just going to basically cover the flashlight. I'm going to leave it in there for probably, I don't know, maybe 10-15 seconds, and then we're going to get it out, and we're also going to jump in the arc field. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and dunk both of them in at the same time, and then we'll get them out and we will test out their functions. So both of them are fresh out of the sink. The arc field, you can see they're both wet. They did just come out of the sink. Arc field is functioning fine. That's the UV light. Everything is functioning completely normal on the arc field. And let's test out that one's a little wetter than the other one. So let's test this one out. So candlelight mode or moonlight mode is working completely fine. The normal flashlight mode is working completely fine. The wheel is working fine. The side light, oh gosh, I'm so sorry I blinded you guys. The side light is working, like I said, completely fine as well. So yeah, charging wise, I don't know how safe it would be to drop it in water and then go straight and plug it up, because that might like fry something. I honestly do not know. But yeah, it seems like it worked fine. Okay, so right now I am filming with the ArcField Pro. It's on the high setting. That's the lowest setting. There's the next setting. And then, yeah. So, we're going to try out the new flashlight. I got it here. So, that's moonlight mode. Hold on one second. Technical difficulties. That's dimmed all the way down. And then we're going to brighten it all the way. So that's all the way. Max brightness. Okay, so now
We are going to try the side. So this is the side. The side light on the Wuben X4. So it's pretty good too. It's just very hard to change the settings in the dark. But yeah, it's pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If there is anything you want to see filmed with this flashlight, or if there's anything you're curious about it, please leave it in the comment section below. And we hope you guys enjoyed this video.